I'm so excited. This morning, I'm heading to PitSpitters Stadium, which is like our local minor league baseball team stadium, for autocross. Yesterday, I helped set up a little bit the course, and then last night I got home and I noticed these wheels were looking gross, so I redid the plastic dip, washed the car, got it looking awesome. And it's raining, so a little bit of a bummer on that, but the rain is supposed to clear up around 9 o'clock and we don't start racing until like 10 anyway, so shouldn't really matter. But I'm gonna head over there and meet the guys. Hopefully this weather clears up so we can have a great day of car stuff. It's like 8:45 and the rain still has not subsided, which is a bit of a bummer, but I do have heated seats, so that's good. In line for tech, there's a killer C2 behind me, Corvette GTR. I don't know what's getting into me, but these C1s and C2s are really starting to pop for me. I really like them. I kind of want to get one as a project car or something.
Help me bleed, 'cause I'm empty. Can't you see that I could leave? So 1, 2, 3, let's break free. Look at this. Now you just look at this. One week more, 1 week less. Let's get free, let's get dressed. We're so weird, it's pointless. All that's behind us runs so fast. All the trees are painted as nice. All our heroes must look alike. And all the trees are disguised as fire. And all our heroes must be set on fire. All the lows are disguised as highs, and all cold blood must be set on fire.
Every time I see this car, I really want to
said all the lows are disguised as highs, sister, your cold blood must be set on fire.
Did you guys get next to each other on purpose? It looks sick. Killer door panels.
the day, 63.4 I think it was, so my best one. I don't know how that puts me in the class, but feel pretty good. I can smell the tires, so it's super fun.
Traverse City Autocross Day 2 by the Furrin Group. Yesterday we started out with a bunch of rain. Today it's like beautiful out, so should be a really fun day. I struggled yesterday. I couldn't figure out the course. Not that I couldn't figure it out, I was just way late on the first turn, and that was throwing off my times for the whole thing. On my last run, my buddy Todd ran with me and was like, here's what you got to do. Just turn immediately, like do this, do that. Killed it. I beat him by just a few tenths of a second. So that's how yesterday went. Car is filthy from the rain, so I'm gonna stop and get a car wash this morning. Last night I rigged this beautiful contraption up. My plan is that I'm gonna just like zip tie this thing here, but it seems pretty solid, and I don't know. I'm gonna drive to the event with it on there and see what happens.
All right, getting ready for the first run in round one. I've never done the 360 camera other than the drive here, so hopefully we'll get some cool video here. my third run. First run, I just kind of went slow. I lost the course a little bit, or not a little bit. I lost the course at the end, but pretty good run, 70. Second run I had Pete, who designed the course, ride along with me, gave me some pointers. I think I did a 65, I can't remember. So hopefully I'll get it down a little bit further this run. 63.5 was my fastest yesterday, and I think that today is faster course for most people than it was yesterday. So hopefully I can get the speed back a little bit. Once I get, I don't know, I'm just talking and psyching myself up a little bit, so turn off the camera, go. I moved the camera angle for this run too, so hopefully this is a pretty cool one. So this is wild. Curtis, one of the guys that puts on this event, yesterday said, hey, tomorrow you want to have some fun? I said, yeah, always. I always want to have some fun. He said, cool, you're going to co-drive my Triumph. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if I'm going to do all 6 laps, but I think I'm just going to do 1 because it makes me nervous to drive somebody else's car. But this thing is super cool. I went for a ride with him around the course. It's not incredibly fast, but it feels fast just because you're out there and it's old. So pretty stoked. there. I spun a little bit over there coming around, but man, this thing is such a freaking handful. This car is so much fun. It's probably loaded up from me foot.
It just leaves a key in it.
Oh,
just leaves a key in it.
So, all right. So what happened there is I think I fouled the plugs just from having it idle a little bit too long. I felt it breaking up a little bit, so I just kind of got out of it because I didn't want to mess it up. Not my car. Curtis was like, if I just drive it, it gets better. So no harm, no foul. We're all good. The car is such a handful, so much different to drive than this thing. So had an absolute blast. If you've never autocrossed, 100% consider doing a Furrin Group autocross because they are super fun.